Hi, Scott Bruder here. I miss old tech. Like, take a look at this Dell Inspiron. In order to get out the hard drive of this device, you have to release a whole bunch of tabs across the top. Then remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws, and then flip it over and remove another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 screws. Oh, wait, then you remove the optical drive, 12, 13, 14, before you can open it up and take out the hard drive. Now, if we look back, 20 years now, at a IBM ThinkPad, we flip it over, and we take this one screw over here, reach inside, grab the little tab, and pull. I miss old tech.